Hi guys, so I just woke up. I'm going to do like a vlog for how I spend my day, and today is Monday. We will be making a lot of food. I have been sick for the past few days. I've been, even till now, I'm kind of sick, so I'm taking it easy. And we'll start with breakfast and lunch because I need to prep these things throughout the week, so I don't make it every single day. Then you see me working too. So let's go.
What? It's a helmet that disables all nearby targets, but it doesn't matter. You just needed to keep the helmet safe.
Cardi B talking about Jim Jones and Chrissy. Be acknowledged, appreciation, autonomy, acceptance, affirmations, proper background, intellectual stimulation, and the list goes on. I have to do the extra list. Okay, trust, respect, faith, grace.
I just finished having my bath, and this is my hair. I haven't washed my hair after taking out my braids. I'm going to do my hair on Saturday, so I kind of just want to wash it and condition it for a day, then do my hair the next day. So I'm going to just leave it to be for now. So I'm going to do my skincare routine. But I just want to show you guys how I feel like my hair has been growing. I used to do all these length checks. It used to be here, but now obviously it's here. It's just that it doesn't look like it's growing sometimes. So yeah, I feel like it's really growing. I have been switching up my hair routine. Or I haven't switched up my hair routine. I don't touch my hair as much anymore. I don't style my natural hair, and I don't detangle anymore, except I use my fingers. One thing that is working for me is this product I bought from Amazon. It's called the Wild Growth Hair Oil. I really love this. I've learned that once you put small water on your hair, you should condition your hair, then add oil, or put water on your hair and add oil. Don't just add oil to your scalp. So that really helps my hair, and I have been having hair loss on this part of my hair. So that's something I'm trying to work on. I have seen improvements, but obviously I want more. Then I will massage that into my scalp. Wonderful. This really helps, like this helps to stimulate growth on your scalp. So just try and do it around your hair. Because I did my hair care first before my skin, I'm going to have to wash my hands because you don't want that hair oil mixing with your skin. That thing ain't good. That I'm switching up my skin routine. I don't want to just be cleansing every single morning, so I'm going to put a little bit of water on my face just to hydrate my skin a little bit. Then I'm going to add salicylic acid and my moisturizer for the day. Love salicylic acid. Oh my god, guys, love this product. Revenox. This is actually one of the few products I like from Revenox. I love this, and I also like niacinamide. Their serums are very good.
actually, wait, there's a little bit more. Actually, I forgot to say it. There's this Cardi B and Offset. There was some tweets that were they exchanged. So Offset said, "The back you keep going. You're my baby mama. I won." Okay. So the question is, did he win? Did he win with her as a baby mama?
This is a Ghana Vitamin C Eye Max. I'm literally into maxes nowadays. I don't know what's going on, guys, and I will keep doing it. But I'm very much into like face masks, eye maxes, and so. Oh, this is what we are wearing for the day. I've noticed that my eyes are kind of like getting tired because obviously I'm getting older and I stay at like the internet a lot.
It was a really brilliant experience. Actually. It really was. All jokes aside, it was a very sexy. So it was a good way to be introduced to that. It's like it's introduction to that.
Right. I definitely think you could say fans.
Yeah. It is like to do it together.
I'm going to tell you that this recipe is the best if you are new to salads. Breaded fish with chickpea, cucumber, corn, tomatoes, honey, and mayo or ketchup, whatever dressing you want to use. Best thing ever, and it is so filling. Like, and I just I need to look for more recipes like this. This is really good, guys, and I've prepped it for like a week, so I'm excited. So now that I'm done with eating, I will go back to work. It's a day, but that's basically what I'm going to do next. I feel like I look so funny with this hair and stuff, but I rather put my hair in like bonnets. Anyways, let me go back to work, guys. Bye.
Perlamon Tergatis. Maybe I'm not saying it. Wasn't scared when it started. Here we go. Were you killed in the battle of the Emperors? Yes. Great. I mean, not for you. I'm sorry for the loss. Formal question? Right. Yes. No. That wasn't for you. Did that count as a question? Yes. Damn it. Only answer when I talk to you. Okay? Yes. What did you say? Okay. And if that's
do my skincare for the night. Guys, I'm tired. I can't wait to sleep today. I want to sleep. Let's go.
This ain't a new conversation when it comes to Chris Brown. People constantly and we're constantly talking. The documentary set to be released October.
Sponsor me because this is crazy. Yeah, the ordinary.
Not acceptable. So let's not do this whole thing of Karuchi. He really put an act in these situations. Believe that I'm greater than you. You can never be capable of any of these great things. I think Karuchi's still acting, but I think that she generally hates his guts, and rightfully so. Some people don't know how to control themselves, and those types of people should not be out roaming the streets. There's a special
tuning in to this vlog. I hope you enjoyed it and it gave you some kind of good vibes. I am going to sleep. I'm gonna sleep. I've had a day. This is Monday, so you already know. I will see you when I see you. Make sure you subscribe, click on the notification button for more content from me. If you want me to do anything in my channel and you have anything you want me to do, I said the same thing twice. Make sure you comment it down on the comment section. Okay, bye guys, I'm going to bed. Make sure you have a good night. Bye.